It is a pleasure to invite our industry expert Ms. Amrita today. Ma'am, what should an investor do to not get carried away by the information around us?
If I have to ask you, how do we reduce confirmation bias? What will be your answer? Cross verify details, avoid looking for negative news about a company, accept that such a bias exists. If you have to reduce confirmation bias, well, how can you reduce it? By cross verifying details, by avoid looking at negative news about a company, accepting that such a bias exists. You please cross verify details. Do not, please always understand every product has positive and negative. Every instrument has pluses and minuses. Please consume information in a very wholesome manner rather than in a myopic manner. Avoid looking for negative news about a company. Please don't avoid. Please take those negative news into consideration. Accepting such a bias exists. The moment you know that the way you look at your newspaper can be flawed, you know that there could be confirmation bias, then your way at consuming information becomes very, very evolved, very, very matured. So acceptance that such a bias, awareness of about this bias is half the battle won. So cross verify details, be aware of such a bias, because then we are alert that maybe we are not looking at an information in a proper fashion. It's not good to desensitize bad news, because these are the red flags that can get a company down. And it's always better that if you are confused, take an expert's advice, and please avoid getting fixated on one or two pre-existing screens like 52-week high and whatever. Fundamental research about a company, industry, sector is extremely important. And when in doubt, always take professional financial advice. Get in touch with a good certified financial planner like Holistic. Diversify your assets. Individual investment is not your cup of tea. Please take expert advice.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.